Underway. We had a little bit of a delay arriving this morning, and then we had lots of fun with U.S. immigration. So we're probably about a half an hour late. But my name is Andy Abbott. I'm the Grimaldi representative here in North America. I'm also with Atlantic Container Line, which is a Grimaldi company. But I'd like to welcome you all. I'm going to play more or less master of ceremonies, I guess. And just to give you an overview of what's going to happen, we're going to start with the ceremony now. So we're going to do the christening, blessing of the vessel forward of the bridge here. As you can see, it's a wind tunnel outside. So any of you which are brave enough to join us are free to do so. Otherwise, you may want to look at it from the window. But we're going to have the playing of the national anthems of the United States and Italy. We're going to have a blessing of the ship by Peter Hadash. And then we've got Miss Amanda Cole, who's going to be then doing the actual bottle breaking. Then we're going to get our frozen tails back in here, and that's when we'll do the presentation of the various gifts, the toast to the vessel, and then there'll be a few little presentations from the Port Authority. We've also got the Consul General of Italy here with us as well, who will be saying a few words. But then, before we go outside, I just want to introduce one guy. And he's the boss of this operation, okay? Costantino Baldassara runs the Grimaldi Euromed operation. So, he's also a real nice guy. But I don't know, I've lost track of how many ships, but they run their vessels primarily from North Europe into the Mediterranean, within the Mediterranean, and then from the Mediterranean back here to the United States. So it's a pretty extensive operation, but he's the guy that runs it. So he'll be doing the few words later. Okay, so with no more ado, I'd like to just really introduce our godmother, please. Amanda Cole. She's got a very illustrious lineage, being the granddaughter of Mario and Matilda Cole, previous governors of New York, so of course. And also the niece of the current.
Yes.
But she's pretty sharp in her own right. Okay, so this is going to be our godmother, and she's the one who's brave enough to join us in the wind tunnel forward. So, without any more ado, should we get the show on the road? Please pull over.